Today we're in Murray Sunset National Park. The park area is 633,000 hectares and ranges from camping areas by the Murray River right up until sand dune country. A lot of four-wheel driving areas, salt lakes, and of course the Murray River, and that's what we'll be on today. We're going fishing at the moment. We're heading down the track to our favourite fishing spot. Most of the fishing you'll see on this video is done within 200 metres of each spot. This is a grave site near Ned's Corner. The grave of Mrs. Relton and two children, her son, 3-year-old, and a 2-year-old girl, Lewis. The fishing boat was named The Secret. They were from the Merbeen Wichita tribe. They died in approximately early 1900s. Here we are in the car. We've just come from a nice big camping spot which is just around the corner, probably 100 metres away, and it's a great spot. Unfortunately the sun doesn't shine on it much, so it's no good if you want to get solar. Down on the Murray fishing again today. You'll find today that unfortunately some of the fish we catch you don't see very long in the water or on the hook, because we're fishing very close to the bank. One of the locals was telling us it was the best place to fish, and he's right. Got a yellow belly? His size? Good on you. Well done. There's tea tonight. Here's the snake, he's come out again. Got his head in the shadows actually. Helen's got another fish on here, we'll see what it is. It's only small, she says. Got a couple of head shakes, there's probably a little yellow belly. Yes, he's a little yellow belly. He's probably just undersized or size. Got something here, I don't know what it is. Might be a yellow belly. Back and forth now, you can have a fight. Yeah, it's a good sized yellow belly. Oh.
Whoa, nice fish. Whoa,
Just got off. That's big male. It's a ripper.
he's a good sized fish. Nice fish. Yep, it's a good one.
We throw him back.
No, don't throw him back. He's a good fish. We'll keep that one. Red's on again.
I think it's another yellow belly. It's got head shakes. It's swimming around. Right in the bank at the moment.
Another yellow belly. Whoop. Oh, good size. Don't trip over. He's a good size. Yep, turn him side on him, that's better. Yeah, he's a good size. Might keep him as well.
Some glass in the tree. I don't know what they're doing. They could be, maybe they're sharpening their beaks after chewing holes in the trees where they can make their nests. I don't know. But if anyone knows, you can comment down below. Would appreciate it. Thanks. Travelling on a road here on a spot that we've never been before, so we're just having a bit of an explore and see what's around here. There is a nice big billabong we're travelling around. Eventually we get to the back of it and there's a lovely single camping spot there, but very hard to get into, only for a tent. There was a few muddy spots we had to go around, but not a problem. We got in eventually. This is a classic. Look at this. Back in the old days they must have cut a tree down and there's another tree growing out of it, out of the stump that's left there. Just looking at the reflections of the water on the tree. Beautiful old gum tree. Later in the video you'll see the same shot of this shot here, but with the water level a lot lower. There's a big log underneath the tree there, and you'll see it hanging out in the next video or up further.
Yes, Fred's got something interesting on the line, not quite sure what. Oh, it's a big carp. Oh no, it's only a medium-sized carp. It was a good bite. Oh well, another one comes out of the river.
When we get a chance, we always feed the carp to the pelicans. It's quite amazing to see how many fish they'll take down. Sometimes they take 2 or 3 big carp down. I don't know where they fit them. just caught us off the yellow belly. The keeper too, yep. Looks like the pelicans come for a couple more carp. Carp are just there in the middle of the screen now. Him. No, still got him. Yeah, he's just taken another one. Helen's now caught herself a carp. There it is down in the water. Unfortunately he's tangled around the stick there and we're going to have to get down and get him somehow. Pelicans come up. I've put the fish closer to the bank and the pelicans come up, so we'll go back a little bit and allow the pelican to come in. Here he comes. You can see it there. Go back a little bit more. He's just a bit wary of me. Where I've thrown it in amongst a couple of twigs, and he's finding it hard to get it out. There he goes, he's got it now. There he goes.
Fred's onto something big. The rod just bent over really well. I think it might be a carp. We were hoping, it's on cheese, we were hoping for a Murray cod, but yeah, it's surface, so I doubt it. Big carp. Oh well, good to get them out of the river. We've come down just past Loch 9 on the Murray. Now, it paid to shift. We had no bites where we were before, but Fred's caught a nice size yellow belly down here, and we just had another one of the rods go off, so we'll be keeping that one. It's a good one. Fred's actually caught a little Murray cod here. We're pretty lucky. They always go back. We'd never eat a Murray cod, but very enthusiastic. He really had a go at the line. There he goes.
At the beginning of the video we showed you some reflections on a tree. This is the same tree, but if you go back you'll see how far the water's come up. The log out in the middle of the water at the moment, or out in the middle of the screen, can't be seen on the other video. So that shows you how much the water level has come up on the Murray River.
Fred's got another yellow belly. We're going to put this one back because we've got one. Doing well here. Got a couple of yellow belly and a Murray cod, so it's not a bad day fishing. And no carp, which is very surprising.
Just pulled up here today to do some fishing, and there's some goats across the road, or across the river I should say. Just sitting down having a fish here on the Murray River, and the cows have come down to have a drink. Here's some pelicans in one of the billabongs close by the river.